This is the mini box toy that I was gifted. Let's open it and see what's inside.
Wow!
It's Mickey and Minnie. What a beautiful couple. A bottle of perfume. Comb. Nail polish. Even though it's just plastic, but so fun. A pink lipstick. And another ring. It's great to decorate them here. I have an amazing idea. Hello everyone, Lisa here. So today, I will show you how to make Minnie Mouse miniature house model like a toy set from polymer clay and cardboard. I hope you like it.
Woo!
2 tiny windows. Now I do the kitchen first. Stack as many cardboard sheets as possible on top of each other, then cover with pink clay. I choose red clay to make cabinet doors. The oven is on this side. Control buttons. Use yellow nail polish to paint cotton swab, then cut it to make handles. Like this. Looks great. This hole is for the sink. Mix white and blue clay, then cover around that cardboard sheet. That's the kitchen countertop. Place it on the top of the kitchen cabinet. Use old straw to make tap water. I choose yellow one. Hot and cold water buttons. I really like eating bread in the morning, so I'm going to make another cute mini toaster. An adorable mini face. Tiny red bow. More borders around. And on-off switch. It's so cute. Gas stoves are also indispensable in the kitchen. I will make one. It's still a cute mini gas stove. White border around. 2 lovely round ears. And signature bow. Cooking area. Then put it here.
I'm hungry.
Make some fried eggs, Barbie. Having a kitchen is quite convenient, right? Mix white and purple clay. I will make a door here, even though it's just a symbol. Create pattern on the door with tool. Then create a cute heart shape using the mold. Border around it. Door handle. That's it.
Wow, that's wonderful.
The kitchen is completed. absolutely adorable. I do the living room next. Sketch Minnie head on cardboard sheet to make backrest of sofa. Carefully use a paper cutter to cut it. Smooth the surrounding edges. Then cover it with black cloth. Border around it. Put the sofa parts together. Stuff with cotton to make seat cushions. Place it on the seat. Add Minnie's signature red bow. Use beads to make 4 tiny sofa legs. That's amazing!
Whoa! Oh, wow!
First floor is done. Pretty good, right? Now move to the second floor.
Great!
I do the bed first. Use a ruler to create a pattern around the bed. Decorate further with outer border. Bed body. Roll red clay thin out. Then cut it in this bow shape. Black border around to create definition. Add white dots to the surface. That's the headboard. Use mold to create pattern for pink blanket. So lovely! Add a cute small dressing table next to the bed. A shiny mirror. Excellent! Now make another set of colorful eyeshadows. That's it!
I can wear makeup every day now.
This side is the balcony, and that will be the sunbathing corner. Another chill chair.
awesome! I'm about to have beautiful tan skin.
Drink some milk tea, Barbie.
So delicious!
Do you know what that green lawn is for? I will make a small tea table in front of the house. Decorate the round table a bit with a border around it. Put it here. And chairs. One for you, and one for me. And finally, an interesting rainbow slide.
Wow!
So, my pink Minnie Mouse miniature house is completed. It's so adorable, right? I really want to know your opinion. Please leave your comment below. Now let's take a look around the house.
Hi everybody, I'm Minnie Mouse, hamster version. Do you want to lie here in sunbase with me? Let's play on the slide. Why is the living room so desolate? It's cool up here, come get some air with me, but be careful not to fall.
Hello everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature